In this monitor episode, we are going to compare between Dell Alienware AW2518HF versus Acer Predator XB252Q. Both monitors have fantastic design and image quality. We have tried to decide which one would be a better fit for you. If you want to see the price and more information about these products, please check out the link in description box. So further ado, let's get started with the video. Now let's talk about the Dell Alienware AW2518HF. This monitor is based on a TN panel with the rapid 1 millisecond response time speed. It has full HD resolution, which allows for the high frame rates to be reached more easily. Although this model offers AMD FreeSync, it is a good pair with high-end Nvidia GPUs as well, since it's much more affordable than the G-Sync counterparts. From display and performance perspective, depending on the game, with a GTX 1066GB or an RX 588GB, you struggle to reach 240 FPS at 1080p with all settings pushed to low. So you should pair this 240Hz monitor with a GTX 1070 at least, or preferably an RX Vega card due to the FreeSync technology. The image quality of the Dell AW2518HF is sharp and bright with a peak brightness of 400 nits, while the colors and viewing angles are as expected of a TN panel. AMD FreeSync is supported over both HDMI and DP connectors with a 48 to 240 Hz dynamic refresh rate range. Moving on, exclusive features. Apart from the standard game-enhancing features, such as pre-calibrated picture presets, on-screen timers and FPS counters, and gamma altering for the brighter picture in dark games, the Dell AW2518HF offers the unique AlienFX RGB LED lighting technology. The AlienFX is not your standard RGB lighting. Besides being able to synchronize it with the rest of your Alienware gear, you can also sync it with the on-screen content. For instance, you can make the LEDs change color from green to red as your HP drops in-game. Moving on, design and connectivity. The Dell Alienware AW2518HF offers rich connectivity including two HDMI 2.0, a DisplayPort, and a quad USB 3.0 hub. Furthermore, the design is of premium quality with a metal stand and full ergonomic support. What we loved about Dell Alienware: great value for money, state-of-the-art performance for competitive gameplay, premium design with rich connectivity. Now let's talk about the Acer Predator XB252Q. If you want to go the G-Sync route, the Acer Predator XB252Q is your best choice. It's cheaper than the ASUS PG258Q alternative. It's also more cost-effective than the BenQ alternatives, such as the BenQ XL2540 and XL2546 models without G-Sync. Apart from the impeccable 1 millisecond response time speed, G-Sync, and 240 Hz refresh rate, the Acer XB252Q display also offers ULMB at 144 Hz refresh. From display and performance perspective, in comparison to the Dell AW2518HF, the image quality of the XB252Q is on the same level. The $100 difference in price is mainly because of the G-Sync module and the ULMB technology. So if you have an Nvidia card and a fondness for these features, go for it. On the other hand, if you won't be using the blur reduction technology of the XB252Q, you may consider the G-Sync version of the previous monitor, the Dell AW2518HF. Apart from the G-Sync and ULMB, the Acer XB252Q 240Hz gaming monitor offers plenty of features, such as dark boost, aim point, customizable picture presets, and advanced 6-axis color adjustments. Furthermore, via the ULMB pulse width setting, You can find the sweet spot between the amount of the applied blur reduction and brightness level. Moving on, design and connectivity. The design of the Acer XB252Q consists of ultra-thin bezels and full ergonomic support, while the connectors are as follows: an HDMI 1.4, a DP 1.2 for G-Sync, 4 downstream USB 3.0 ports, and audio line out for the headphones, and line in for the 2x2W speakers. What we loved about Acer Predator: ULMB at 144 Hz, G-Sync and 240 Hz gameplay fluidity. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs and then subscribe the channel. If you have any question or suggestion about these product recommendation, feel free to write down in comment section. See you next time only on Review Empire.